finished editing or processing a PDF in PDFsam Basic. The final step is saving your new document to the right location so you can easily find it later. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to save PDF files with PDFsam Basic in 2026. So let's get started. First, finish the task you're working on, whether that's extracting, splitting, merging, or mixing, rotating PDF files. PDFsam Basic creates a new output file instead of modifying your original PDF. Before running the task, select where you'd like the new PDF to be saved. You can keep the default folder or choose another location that's easier to access. Saving files to a familiar folder makes them much easier to locate afterward. If the option is available, type a descriptive file name for your new PDF. A clear name helps you quickly identify the document later. Using meaningful file names is especially helpful if you work with lots of PDF files. Now click the Run button to process your PDF. PDFsam Basic will create the new document and automatically save it to the output folder you selected. The original file remains unchanged unless you intentionally replace it. Once the process finishes, open the output folder and locate your newly created PDF. Double-click the file to make sure everything was saved correctly. Finally, review the completed PDF to confirm that all pages and changes appear exactly as expected. So if everything looks good, your PDF is ready to print, share, or archive. And that's how to save PDF files with PDFsam Basic. By choosing the right output folder and reviewing the finished document, you can make sure your PDF is stored exactly where you need it. I mean, it's a simple step, but it's one that helps keep your files organized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.